Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am decorating my spread for the week. I want to use this new sticker book that I have. It is called Blooming with Pride. I believe this one is still available from the Happy Planner. So I have the Happy Planner linked with my affiliate link if you're interested. But I love the little doodles in here. So like the bees are funny. So yeah, I'm going to use this book. I feel like there's kind of everything I need. I have functional stickers, decorative stickers, quotes, checklists. Yeah, there's a little bit of everything in here. Trying to decide what. So I have some flowers. I feel like just sticking with the bees. What is this? Oh, this is washi. These are washi stickers, but I actually don't want to use that. Is this washi stickers too? Oh, these are, what is this? Yeah, it's washi stickers. Okay. So let me, oh geez, I can never tell like when the piece is for this. Let's see. Oh no, they're all small. Okay, never mind on this. I might just grab, oh yeah, they're all small. Okay, so they're like smaller sections. I mean, I could put them together, but I think I want to use, I'm just gonna grab one of my washis that I have just to keep it somewhat simple. Just maybe a striped one. I want to do the bees because they're cute. So let me start by putting a bee down. Have him like coming off the page, I guess. Scissors. Just want bees everywhere. The one sticking the tongue out is funny. It's funny weird. That's what it is. But I'll use it because I want one that's going this direction. So we're gonna put the funny weird one right here. Sticking its tongue out. Okay, that's cute. Cute. Oh, and then I have these like little sparkle bits. I'm gonna stick it with him there. Okay, and then I want to do this like be proud of who you are no matter what. I think right here would be good. Kind of goes along that curve. Okay, so that works there. Lovely. I feel like I should stick some flowers. I'm gonna stick this flower down. And off that side. I have these little ones, a little ladybug. It's cute. I'm just gonna cut it in 2 pieces. Alrighty. Let me get some boxes on here. So I want a double box, which I saw double boxes here. I like this blue one. I'm gonna actually put it here. And then I can layer another box on top. It's a little crooked, but you know what? It is what it is. It doesn't need to be perfect. I want to do take a note. Actually, I'm gonna put it here so I don't cover up the little stars because I like the stars. Okay. Oh, washi. I was gonna do washi. So let's see what color washi I want to do. I like the stripes. The orange is pretty. Or I can do yellow or green. I like the contrast, but I don't think I want green. Maybe the blue. It's probably not the right blue, but I think it'll go. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with this. Yeah, I like that. This is from Planything, this washi. She has great, like, neutral patterned, colorful washi, which I really like. Let me add another flower over here before I stick the washi down. Do this one. Okay, let me stick some more up here. Then I will be done with washi. Great, that's pretty. Oh, let me stick one of these. I like the little ladybug, that's cute. And then these are fun. So we're just gonna stick one. Don't want too much of it. I still want to be able to use space there for writing, so I'm just gonna have it coming off the page a little bit. Oops, where'd it go? There it is. Okay. Let's do... Okay, more bees. Of course, more bees. Alright, so I need one facing. I have another one sticking its tongue out. So I'm just gonna take this one, even though it's like the same thing. When I have my sister make stickers for me, I always like to do like a few different poses because I don't like doing repeated ones, but you know, this is what I got, so I gotta deal with it. Just to make it a little different, you know, so it's not the same, because then it's like the same thing. They both got their tongues sticking out. It's a little silly. Okay, and then I stick this one. Yeah, because there's essentially only like 2 poses. So we'll have him coming off this way. Okay. Let me stick one more. Oh, there's this one by itself. Okay. We'll stick, I mean, I could have stuck. I could cut them and like put this here, whatever. I'm gonna leave it. It is what it is. We're just gonna leave it. I'll stick this one like he's on the flowers. And I can stick some of these little star bits. This one does not want to come off. And then I'll get the colorful one. There it is, this one. Okay, you know what, actually let me put the sidebar sticker down first because there are only like these right here. So we'll just do I'm gonna do Stay True to You. Okay, yeah, I'll just put it here. It's gonna overlap a little, but that's okay. Oh no, it doesn't. Actually works. Okay, that works. And then I can stick this here. Okay, let me get some boxes on this side. Oh, checklist too. You know what? Let me add a checklist for the weekend. So what color do I want to do? I guess I'm going with like blue and I don't know. I kind of want to do purple because I like purple. I feel like purple's a good neutral. Actually, let me see right here. I just stick it like that. And then I can do a blue color over here for Monday. And then I can get some boxes down. Two kind of boxes. I have these smaller ones, this size. Oh, there aren't boxes like this size. Okay. Okay, so I'll have to do one of these boxes. I'll do take a note, and I'm adding pink now. I guess so. I feel like this spread can handle a lot of colors. So we're just gonna go with color here. I need another purple. I want like the darker purple. I can find that. Nope. Oh, it's so annoying. I don't like it when they do that. Okay, I'll do this. Happy to be me. Kind of like the darker purple. I don't know, I just don't like this actually. Okay, let me do some of these. And do some yellow ones. Hopefully you can't hear that music. I really hope you can't hear that music because I don't want it to mess up my monetization, and that definitely would give me a strike if the bots, if the YouTube bots that check the videos hear that song. That would not be good. This one's cute. It says, "Love your fabulous self." Can I fit this? I think it's kind of big. Oh no, I could put it here. That's cute. I could do some star bullet points. But yeah, don't want it to pick it up, so hopefully it's not picking it up. We shall see when I upload this video, if it does. Okay, so I have stars. And I'm gonna do some here. Let's see, I'll do yellow. There's only one yellow, really. Do I have more? No. That's annoying. Okay, I do have a circle I can put here. I feel like I need this lighter purple here, so I'm gonna do one little star, one little purple star here, and Oh, there's another page. Okay. I just didn't flip to the next page, but there's 2. Okay, so now I can do 2 here, and then I can do 2 here. Okay. Still feel like I need like maybe some flowers, some more flowers. If I can get them to fit. I have these. Okay, let me grab this one. It's a fun spread though, the colors are fun. And I like the doodles, they're different. So that's always nice to have like a little different kind of yeah, different stickers on your spread. So we'll stick this one here, the edge. Okay, that's good. I like that. And I feel like here it's empty, so I'm gonna stick some of the like little star stuff on this side. Stars, where are they? Where are they? I know I saw some in here. Okay, I have paper ones. Okay, so I have to use paper. That's okay. So let me do, just to fill in this spot here. I think that works. Okay. I might move this up a bit. I have to put more, go with something there. So I'll put this here. Let me cut this off. I always get impressed when I'm able to cut that with scissors pretty straight. So I've gotten better at that, thankfully, because I am just too lazy sometimes to pull out my X-Acto knife. And also I think I need a new blade because it feels really dull. So yeah. Okay, even though I already have this quote on the other side, I feel like I need more of this darker purple over here. So I'm just gonna put this "Stay True to You." Just feel like it's too big. So I'm just gonna cut off the edges a little bit just because I feel like it's just too long. And I can maybe just stick this over here in the middle. Be a little higher. Let's like go out of the way a little bit more. Okay, I think that works better there. Okay, and I think if I can find one more little flower. I have these, but I feel like those are too big. I think those are too big too. Okay, maybe not. You know what? I'm gonna leave it like this. I think that looks pretty good. All right, so that is my spread using the Blooming with Pride sticker book. Again, this is available on the Happy Planners website, so that is linked down in the description to the site. My affiliate link to the site is linked. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.